welcome back to another Allure beauty box unboxing. So this is another one of those bonus boxes that you could opt into but was not part of like the actual subscription tier, but it's for members only. So this is the Allure Lip Lovers box. It costs 20 bucks. The retail value of everything in it comes to like 94 if I remember right. So pretty good value for what you're getting. So in here, I believe this one's only got like 5 or 6 products, but that's okay, because they're good ones. Okay. Yeah, this doesn't really tell us anything this time, so we're gonna just toss that. So, diving right in. Right on top, we've already got one of my beloved Pixie by Petra products, and this one is one of their Lip Glow Tinted Lip Balms in the color Ruby. Of course. So, naturally, I'm out here wanting it. This was a big selling point. I think it had to come out. Maybe I should try from the other end, because it seems pretty well in there from that one. Come on, let's see it. There we go. Ooh, okay. I would have assumed a touch darker than that, given, you know, the butt end of this and being called Ruby, but you know, that's still really pretty. I can't wait to use that. I'm actually really stoked and excited for it. Then, by Sigma Beauty, we've got their liquid lipstick in Venom, which looks, again, like it should be a nice deep red. We're hitting fall, so of course we're hitting these colors. Ooh, I'm here for it. Alright, I see you. Okay, let's pop that in there. This one, I'm not sure if that's full size or if that's like a deluxe sample, but whenever I get around to reviewing that, I'll research it and figure that out. I'm actually not positive on if that's full size or not. Then from True and Luscious, which I think I reviewed something from them already and really liked it, if I remember right. This is one of their Super Moisture lipsticks in Vintage Rose. This might even be the same one. I'm like, that name is striking a chord. This very well might be the same one, and that's okay, because that was a good freaking color on me if it's the one I'm thinking of, so I don't mind having a backup of that. Okay. Fine by me. So let me just set that aside. Then we have a Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil in Pink Shine. This one I definitely have. I think I have like 3 of it now, so this might go up on eBay. I don't know. I'm like, 2 of them I could potentially work through before they go back. 3, we're getting into iffy territory, so that one might be an eBay item. And then finally, from Manakadar Beauty, we have the Step 3 Perfect Lip Bliss Moisturizing Lip Mask. Ooh! Let's look at it. Okay. It's in a big ol' honkin' tube. A lot of the lip masks that I've gotten so far have all been in little bitty tubs. So I'm just like, oh, a tube is a lot more convenient to try it in. So, okay. Definitely here for that. Absolutely here for that. So this is just a real quickie little video. That was all that was in there. So, anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time.